Janelle and welcome back to another Behind the Brand video. This is actually going to be the first Behind the Brand video of the year, so that's very exciting. And I'm also going to be going on my first op shopping or thrift shopping trip of 2020 today. So I thought I would pick up the camera and bring you along with me so you can see a little bit of my op shopping process, as well as hopefully some of the bits I will pick up today while op shopping. I'm also working on quite a few fun things this week, just kind of little projects I've got going on behind the scenes, so I thought I would film a few of those as well so you can see a little bit of what I'm getting up to. But for now, let's go op shopping. So at the moment I'm just looking at the doona covers and things like that. They're probably the first place I go to look for fabrics, and check out this one I've just found. It's like the perfect rosary pink. I then head to the fabric section of the op shop, but to find some good quality fabric in the op shop is very lucky, so I haven't found any this time, but it's always good checking just in case. So that was not a bad start at all. I managed to find two really good quality fabric items from that op shop. So now I'm just going to head to the next one. Also, while I'm driving to the different op shops this morning, I'm listening to Lana Del Rey's latest album, and I definitely recommend you have a listen if you haven't already. It is incredible. So I'm back home now, and this op shopping trip didn't turn out to be as successful as I was hoping, but I did manage to find three really nice fabric items, so let me quickly show you. So they are all bed linen, so bed sheets and doona covers and things like that in the prettiest pink shades. I've got this really lovely Rosery pink, I like to call it. It's like my favorite shade of pink, and as you can see it is very similar to my cutting table and the pot plants at the back there. I was really happy to find that one, and it has this really cute embroidered detail on the front too, which is lovely. Then I found this bed sheet. I think it's a king size, so there's heaps of fabric here in this lovely rose color. I just was really drawn to this color actually and picked it up straight away. And then the last one is just another pink bed sheet. I just again was very drawn to this shade, so I decided to pick it up. And yeah, I'm really happy with the three of these finds. I think they're lovely and will make beautiful dresses one day. So now I'm just going to give my sewing room a quick tidy, and then this afternoon I'm going to be filming a tutorial. By the time this Behind the Brand goes out, I think the tutorial will already be live. It's of these really cute embroidered summer crop tops that I've been wanting to try for a while now. So I'll leave a link to that video down below if you'd like to make some for yourself. Here's a little look at the fabric I'm going to be making the crop top out of. It's this beautiful embroidered cotton in the loveliest caramel colour. So yeah, I'm going to get on with filming this tutorial now. I think it will take most of this afternoon, and I will show you the finished product. Hours later now, and the crop tops are done and they've turned out so cute. Let me show you. Here they are. So this is the one I made for the tutorial, and then I just quickly whipped up this little one from a remnant I had. It's not as wide, but it's still really cute and perfect with like a maxi skirt. I'm really happy with them, and hopefully the tutorial will turn out okay once I edit it all together. And like I said before, I'll have it linked down below if you would like to make one of these for yourself. I thought I would just quickly show you what planner I'm using for 2020. Something I really enjoy is just having a little look at the different planners that people use. I am definitely a paper planner. I like writing lists and getting it all out on paper. It just makes me feel a little bit less stressed, I guess, getting all my thoughts out on paper. Let me show you the planner I'm using this year. So far, I'm so happy with it. Here it is. It's called the Passion Planner, and I randomly found it through an Instagram ad. It's actually probably the first thing I ever purchased through an Instagram ad, so that's interesting. But anyway, let me open it up so you can see. So I've just opened it up to the next blank page that I have. What I really like about this planner is how it has the time. So it has a column for each day, and then it's broken down into every hour and half an hour of the day, which is exactly how I like to work. I usually will just buy a planner and write all the hours in myself. So to find a planner that already has that has been amazing. And then it just has this personal to-do list section, a work to-do list section, and then a space of infinite possibility where I can write all the notes and things I need to get out of my head onto paper. But yeah, very happy with that. And if you're after a really good planner, then I recommend you check Passion Planner out. So it's the next morning now, and so far today I've just been editing my Japan vlog, ready for it to go up this Sunday. I think I'll be struggling to get it done in time, so that's pretty much what I'm going to be focusing on today. But I thought I would quickly hop on and share some really exciting news with you. For the next 24 hours, I am on the trending page of YouTube as the creator on the rise. Let me show you. So if you just head on over to the trending page right now and scroll down a little bit, there I am, creator on the rise. How cool is that? I never thought this would happen. I'm obviously very excited about that. I wasn't expecting it at all. YouTube just sent me an email yesterday saying that they were going to pop me on the trending page as creator on the rise, but I was not to tell anybody until it happened, and now it's happened, and I just can't believe it. It's such a cool thing that YouTube have hand selected my channel to pop it onto the trending page. Very cool, very grateful. And obviously it's a really good confirmation that the content that I'm making is doing okay and people are enjoying it and YouTube have seen it. So that's really cool. And again, I just want to thank you all for the support since I've started making my videos. I've had so many kind comments and just so much lovely support from you all. So thank you again for that, and go us, we're on the trending page. For the rest of today, I am just going to be editing this video, but I'll be back in a couple of days' time to show you an exciting project I'm working on. It's a few days later now, and it's actually a public holiday here in Australia today, so I'm taking the opportunity to get a bit of work done. So far this morning, I've just been working on some scrunchies for the 10K Rosery giveaway winners. I'm nearly finished all the prizes now, and they are going to be sent off this week, and I'm so excited to have them all finished at last. I'm just going to keep working on the scrunchies and put a podcast on, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Scrunchies are done. They've turned out so cute. I actually have shared a tutorial on how to make scrunchies, which I'll leave down in the description below this video if you'd like to make some for yourself. But yeah, these are going out to the giveaway winners. And the cute crate that I have them in is one I purchased in Japan recently. And it's the perfect place just to house all of the scrunchies. So now I'm going to start working on something very exciting. If you watch my live stream, you would have maybe seen that I talked about wanting to start selling my own patterns, and I have been starting the whole process of that this week. So let me show you what I'm up to so far.
At the moment, I've just traced up my pattern onto some greaseproof paper so I can lie them on top of one another and make sure the line work is lining up okay and that the sizes are looking good. I'm also really excited to say that I'm making my patterns from size 4 to 24 Australian, which is something I'm so excited about. It was a priority of mine to make a more inclusive size range, so I'm really happy that I've been able to do that. And I'm just really excited to start actually working on some patterns of my own.
I now need to somehow scan all of those drawings onto the computer. I took the drawings as they are now to Officeworks the other day to get them scanned, but unfortunately because the paper is so thin, they couldn't scan them for me. So what I'm going to do is redraw them all onto proper paper. I'm just going to stick them up onto my window so that the paper is see-through and just trace over them instead of redrawing them all from scratch again. And hopefully once that's done, I can go back to Officeworks and get them scanned. Now, and I just went to Officeworks to get the documents I was working on yesterday scanned, and luckily they are able to scan them, so that is a massive relief. And now I'm just going to get back to work on the giveaway prizes that I want to send out this week. So I've just got a few scrunchies left to make, and I also need to finish the custom dress for the first prize winner. I think all I need to do is hem the dress now, so it's nearly done, but let me show you what it looks like. It's currently inside out, but look how cute it's looking. The winner has chosen the most beautiful gingham fabric, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I think it's absolutely adorable. So I think I'll start by just hemming this dress first, and then we'll get on to some scrunchie making. Also, if you would like to see a little bit more of the making process of this dress, I actually made a good half of it during my live stream a couple of weeks ago, so I'll have the live stream linked down below if you would like to see a little bit more of the making process in a bit more detail. And now for the final step, I'm going to sew in one of my Rosery Apparel labels. I'm so happy with how it's turned out, and I really hope the winner likes it as well. Going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of the behind the scenes of what I've been getting up to with Rosery this week. Also, be sure to let me know in the comments if you're excited for the patterns I'm making. I'm having so much fun creating them, and yeah, I'm really enjoying the whole process of getting them ready to sell. I also would just like to say one more time a huge thank you for all the support that you give me. Being YouTube's creator on the rise this week was really amazing. It blew my mind, and it's all thanks to the support that you give me. So yeah, I really mean it when I say thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely week. Thanks for watching.